Hi, I'm Kristin with Kristin Lia Restoration. As you can see, I do a lot of refinishing in my basement. I also do it in the rest of my house. But today what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the refinishing of these nightstands. This is Jack. He often appears in videos. I'm really trying to make a point to put on my safety shoes. So I'm putting on these Sawdeck safety boots and then we'll get started. This is a precision Mozart knife. It is wonderful. It doesn't get loose and you don't have to actually touch the blade. There's one down. Figure out how to do the other one now. This one was easier because it had a little bit of a loop. It was already a loose finish, but I already like that light wood that's there.